Okay, my name is Chantal Moyo. I just wanted to raise a point when it comes to the empowerment of women economically. Mostly women in business, us as young women, were given an opportunity to say, all capital, Tanga
Let's try
project.
to listen to Chantal.
We're given the opportunity to say, oh, capital Tanga project, you can do this, you're told you can fly and everything. But then we don't have the sustainability to have women who actually guide us through into actually making those businesses boom. Unaona msikana achitanga even kutengesa madomas, but you won't be guided to see what problems are you going to face, and when you're facing those problems, what can you do? It's all about you can fly, you can do this, but what are you giving us to fly? What are you giving us to sustain us in those businesses? So it's a gap that I'm saying that, yes, the young women are the future of tomorrow, but as the future of tomorrow, we also need that guidance to say, where are we going to stand when we're given that capital? How are we going to use it? And how can we sustain that capital? Thank you.